Good morning everyone. I am Shrreyaas from Standard 5E from Timpani School. Today I am going to show you my working model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the most burning topic these days. Importance of water. Water is called the elixir of life, which means all the living organisms on the earth require water to survive. Water is one of the most important natural renewable resource on earth. Nowadays, there is severe scarcity of fresh water due to the greenhouse effect and global warming. This is leading to the drying up of lakes, streams and ponds. Urbanization and water pollution are affecting the quality and quantity of surface water as well as the groundwater. In order to overcome the situation, water should be conserved. Conservation of water depends on habits like turning of the taps when not in use, rainwater harvesting and digging percolation pits in the ground. Coming to the most important and natural way to conserve water, that is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collection of rainwater from surfaces on which rain falls, filtering it, storing it and using it in multiple ways in future. Assume my working model of rainwater harvesting. Assume that it rains. The rainwater that is collected on the catchment is sent to the down filtering barrel through the downspouts. Sent to the filtering barrel through the downspouts. The inlet of the rainwater gutter system is lined with a coarse mesh in order to prevent the passage of debris present on the rooftop. Now this rainwater goes to the filtering barrel. Before the filtering barrel, the first flush is installed. The purpose of this first flush is, it is a valve which ensures flushing of the first spell of rainwater which carries relatively large amount of debris from the catchment and air. Now this rainwater is passed into the filtering barrel. The filtering barrel is made up of 4 filtering layers, like the top and the uppermost layer is the sand layer which separates suspended dirt from rainwater and makes it clean. The second layer is the charcoal layer which further purifies the rainwater. The third layer is the gravel layer which ensures separating the rainwater which carries small amounts of sand. The last and the fourthmost layer is the large pebbles layer. This layer gives support to all the 3 upper layers and helps in the passage of water easily. Now this clean and clear filtered rainwater is passed into the storage tank which can be used for multiple purposes like drip irrigation, percolation pits, watering livestock, laundry use and flushing toilets, etc. Now this rainwater is passed into the drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that has the potential to save water and minerals by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of plants or by either from above the soil surface or buried below the surface. Now this rainwater is passed into the percolation pit. Percolation means seepage or filtration of a liquid through porous substances. The percolation pit in my working model is leveled with all the 4 filtering layers like the boulder layer, the gravel layer, the charcoal layer and the sand layer. Now the rainwater which flows naturally into the percolation pit seeps into all these filtering layers and fills the groundwater table or the sump. This rainwater can be used for various purposes and can be drawn from hand pumps and electric motors, etc. Remember, rainwater is precious. We can use this rainwater in various purposes and in various ways. Remember, water is precious. Every drop counts. So make use of water wisely. Save water, save life. Thank you.